So if you're like me and you have hair that dries like this because you have curly hair, but it won't do anything because it's long and the curls you can see stop. You want to curl your hair or straighten it sometimes. Well, I like to curl my hair. I like to have those curls. So I'm going to show you how to curl your hair using a 1-inch straightener. The one I use is cheap. It's Conair. Get it from Walmart. It's about $40. It has the rose gold plates. It has settings from 266 to 410. I always set mine on 374. You don't want to do it as hot as it says as you can go because it'll damage your hair. But you just turn it on and you push the side button to make it go up or down. That one's too hot, so I'm going to go down. Do the setting for 374, and in just a minute after it heats up, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, now my straightener is heated up and ready. I know a lot of people do their videos and they show you sectioning your hair off, and that may work for them, but I don't do it because that takes too much more time for me to do. I'm a mom, I have a lot of kids that I have to keep up with. So what I always do is start at the front. I get a small piece like this, and I'll put it on top, and then I'm gonna flip it and pull the hair behind it. And it works best if you hold on to the hair as it goes down until you can't. And there you go. Now I'll show a speeded up process as I keep going so that you can see how it turns out. Now, as you see, when I got to the back side, I done one section on this side. I always curl it away from my face so that the curls are facing out. And when I come back to the back side, I start and I curl it away this way. This way. That makes them all mesh well together. It keeps it from being in your face and dropping down and, you know, not forming right. I do it in sections the way I do it. I'll try to do the bottom pieces and the top pieces separate, because if you pull it all together, then you're going to get like a mess and it'll be too much hair. The amount of hair you want is, I usually just fill it out, but about that much, so you can put between your forefinger and your thumb. It's the easiest to work with. If you get too much, your hair will slide out and then you have to recurl it. Now, as you can see, it's all curled. I know you noticed that these didn't get curled up close to the scalp. I don't usually worry about those or the top, because at the end, when I get done, take the straightener and you straighten it down. Oh, don't go all the way down to the curl, because it'll lose it. Anywhere you see that needs to be smoothed out, you just straighten it. And then when I get to the top, I do the same thing. Just straighten it a little bit at the top. Now my hair holds curls, so I don't have to put any products in it to keep it curled. So if you need products and you're used to using products, then you use that. Mine stays curly all day, and actually will stay for 2 days because of the texture of my hair, which is pretty dry and thick. Now, so that's how you get a smooth look without having to curl or go all the way to the top when you're curling. And it's quick and easy, and the inside looks good. And then you just I brush my hair because it will stay and keep curl. You may not want to. The best thing they say, like at a salon, you'll just finger through your hair like that to get it to stay. Mine, I just brush it because it will stay. And then run your hands through it. And now I have curled hair with a straightener. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Just hit like and subscribe. Thank you.